With warm weather on the horizon, it's time to wake up your lawn from its long winter nap. You'll need a few tools and materials to prepare your lawn for spring, including a leaf rake, a leaf blower, a lawn aerator, fertilizer, a lawnmower, and mulch. Start by clearing your yard of any debris, like broken tree limbs and matted leaves and grass. Use a leaf rake or leaf blower to speed up the process. Once your yard's been cleaned up, it's time to aerate. An aerator has spikes that puncture the soil, making small holes. This helps your grass soak up the essential nutrients it needs to grow. Aerate lawns with warm season grass late spring or early summer. For cool season lawns, early spring is best. Next, feed your lawn with fertilizer and a pre-emergent weed preventer. Add a broadleaf herbicide 6 to 8 weeks later to control things like dandelions, chickweed, and wild clover. Now's a good time to make sure your mower's in working condition. Fill it with gas, check the oil, inspect the belts, and make sure the blades are sharp. It's time for mulch. Adding mulch around your plants isn't just for looks. Mulch acts as weed barrier and helps retain moisture. It's best to spread new mulch in mid to late spring, so the soil's had a chance to warm up. Getting your lawn ready takes some commitment, but in only a few steps, you can shake winter's chill from your lawn to enjoy throughout summer.